Guys, if you're watching this from Ayamara, please subscribe to our brother Samson, the roadman.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson, the roadman, and I'm here guys at our home here in our village, and we've continued with the building today. Yesterday I had a day off at least, but I was not even off. I was in Kabwe and yeah, doing some other things. Hope you guys saw that video where I was actually vlogging around in the city of Kabwe. Is it Kabwe town? Yeah, and we are here today. We are actually continuing with the building or the construction of our perimeter wall, the wall fence that we've been building here, you know. So let me just show you guys where we are. We've just started, and I'm actually going to be, hey guys, I still need some stones for this. This is a soccer way. We still need stones here. I don't know where I'm actually going to get these stones. Okay. Yeah, so this is our little yard here. We are in a village called Kahale, that is on the western part of Lusaka, about 10 kilometers from Lusaka CBD. This is where we are. So let me just show you a little bit of what is going on here. We've started today, and somebody is just going to fetch water. We have this drum which we are using for water, and hey, it's a tough day today. So today I started by getting a little some blocks from the other side, and I think I don't know, I felt my back is, something's wrong. I can feel like I have some terrible pain, but yeah, I've also started building here. So I've added these 2 courses. This is the final one actually, this is the final one there. So it's a little shorter as compared to the other one. The reason is simple. On this side it's high, but as we go down this way it's like slanting, so but this is our entrance, has now fully been as you can see from this side, the pillar, and this side, that's how far we're actually going to go. So it's really well defined now, so we are very happy. And let me show you on the other side. We've actually started. There are blocks that are being set up, but this is the work that I've done so far, right on top there, and you guys are able to see. So let's check out this. So now on this side guys, we really need a gate. Like, it's urgent guys, it's urgent. Before we start traveling, we need to secure the land. But you can see on this other side, this is the line that I did the other day. It's a little bumpy on top, but as we progress, we get to learn, because this is the first time, like I said guys, so we are learning each and every day. So we are actually going to proceed from here, going all the way to this block here, and then I'll go back and get another line and bring it here, because I don't want to have it like long, like from that corner to the other. This is about 40 meters, because the string which we're using here, this string, I don't know if you're able to see it, it becomes loose a little bit, and then you go shagara bagara, so it can go like bend, But so far so good. We are here, and you can see the wall fence is slowly coming up. So we'll see if we build 2 more lines on top up to here, like another one right on top there. So we'll see how it's actually going to go. But we are happy with the work so far, and I'm done with the corner, which was giving me a lot of problems, because it's not like in a proper shape. It's not like a rectangular shape, it's like in a sheared way, so it's you need to cut a lot of blocks. But we've tried, and that's how it looks. That's the corner there, the pillar on the corner at the entrance here, you can see. I think I'm happy with it. It's not bad, especially if coming from an amateur builder. So this is okay. This is okay. Yeah, let's see how we progress from here, guys. I'll keep you posted as we go. Okay, so stay tuned. Right, guys, let me give you the final update. I actually forgot to do a midday update today, guys. So we're here in our village, guys, where we are building a wall fence, and take a look from this side. Now we have a proper entrance there, which you can see. Yeah, so this is basically our entrance. It's quite big. It's 6.5 actually, from this pillar here to this pillar. Okay, that's our little cottage over there, and this is the entrance. So today I was able to cover these 3 courses, 1, 2, 3. These are the last courses actually. This is the 13th course right on top here. So I've done this pillar. Today we actually started late because the helper that came the other day sent his friend, so came a little bit late, but this is what we were able to do from that entrance to here. But then we also did this part going all the way to that side. You can see from here going all the way to up to here. Okay, so this is the 13th course which I've just put here. That's the 13th course. Okay, so tomorrow we are going to build these 2 on top to complete this. Well, hopefully, because what delayed us actually partly was this corner here, this pillar at the entrance. This pillar, hey, it's a tricky pillar, guys. You can sweat just to build this one. You build, you demolish. You build just these courses here. We took time here just to ensure that it's straight. Yeah, so you can see from here, this is how it looks now. This is the final work. This is our entrance. So even the gate, we can now put the gate here, you know, because everything is done. You can see. So that's the 13th course there. That's the 13th course over there. This one is slightly lower. This one is slightly higher because the land is slanting as we are going down this way. So that's how it looks like this. But it's all good. All good, guys. Let me show you on the other side here. Take a look. So it's still very straight, as you can see from there. Very straight, guys. And this is our work. This is our work. Let's see if I can push that. Okay, there we go. Okay. Alright, so it's still very intact, very straight, which I'm proud of. You know, you can see from the outside here. So what I was using, I had a ladder which I was putting here, and then I put some blocks on top, and then I climb and laid these blocks on top here. We don't have the scaffold. Yeah, so we're gonna use the MacGyver way of doing things. Hopefully we don't break our backs. I hope I don't break my back anyway. So as you can see from here, the inside, the house is not even visible from here now. So these are the last 2 courses on this side. Of course, tomorrow we'll progress from here, and hopefully we're gonna be faster tomorrow because it's just the laying of blocks along the line. It's not like building that corner there, which gave us a little bit of a problem. But I'm very happy, guys, with the work that I've done here. Very proud of it. And yeah, especially as a first-time builder, you know, the only thing that I built before this was my kitchen, and you guys saw the video. You know, you saw the video of how I was actually building my little kitchen, the kitchen cabinet. Are they called cabinet? The shelves? Yeah, I think something like that. So that's the only thing that I did before building this wall fence. So I think I've done quite a tremendous job, and the people that are passing here, they're actually amazed, you know, knowing that this is my first time. So it is what it is. I'm very happy, very happy actually. It's evening here, and you can see where we've ended today. We actually added this course here. This line only went up to here, so I had to do this in the morning, this part up to here, you know. So tomorrow we hope we can fill up this part. When we are done filling up this part, we are going to go down this way, add 3 more courses. So looking at the pace I'm doing things, maybe in 3 days time I can be done here, because tomorrow we'll cover this part definitely. Actually, we are going to cover these 2 lines and add 1 more, maybe going down that way, you know. Then the following day we can finish, which is a Monday, you know. The Monday we can come and finish. Then from there we pray that we actually get a gate, you know, soon, if God allows it. We put a gate, and then that can be nice. Then it can mean we can now even travel more, do more videos, you know, apart from just the building construction videos that we've been doing. So yeah, otherwise I'm very happy, guys. 3 courses remaining from this side, from here. This is 1, 2, 3. So from here we go down this side. I hope here I've done some proper mathematics. Okay, this one will be here. So here there will be this. Here there will be that. Here, okay. Yeah. So this is where we are, guys. We are in our little village called Kahale, and we are constructing this perimeter wall on this side. So we hope we can get to this side very soon, by Monday actually. This is where we intend to come, all the way to here, you can see. And it will be very tall actually. If you look at it from the outside here, it's very tall, but inside not that much. Okay, so let's see on the other side. And actually today, guys, I was supposed to show you the landscaping, but the guys haven't reported today. It actually did rain a little bit. Hopefully they come tomorrow, or maybe in the nights if it can rain, then the guys can actually come and finish the landscaping on the following day. Okay, but this is our work for today. You know, this is our work for today, guys. We are in our village, and you can see our neighbors right on the roof there putting what we call roof seal. It's a rainy season here, so this is the time you get to see your house leaking, you know, in some parts when it rains and things like that. Yeah, but this is where we are, guys. I want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel to watch my video up to this far. My name is Samson, the Roadman, and I'm ending this video from here today. Thank you so much. You guys take care, and if you want to support me, please go ahead. There's a number on this particular screen. You can WhatsApp me and say, hey, Samson, I want to contribute to your building project, so that you actually finish it even quicker. Yeah, that would be nice, you know. Even maybe the contribution towards buying the gate. If you guys want to support me, you can actually support me, and I would really appreciate, you know. I'm your Zambian YouTuber. I do travel videos, I do real estate videos, and I also do farming content. So if you like these 3 things, you are actually on the right channel. You can subscribe right about now. Subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification as well, so that whenever I do post a new video, you guys won't miss like any single of my upload, you know. I'll really be grateful to see you guys even in the next one. Okay, Yeah, I know quite a lot of people that are watching from the Zambians that are based in the diaspora and are asking for my services, like what kind of services do I offer? Yes, I do offer services such as finding people land, finding people property that is being sold, or actually offering like advertising certain properties like farmland, houses that are being sold. If you have a house in Zambia and you want somebody to advertise it to the people that are watching this channel, you can go ahead and let me know on the WhatsApp number that is provided here. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much. Take care of yourselves. I love you guys. Bye-bye.